there's a butterfly.
It's so pretty.
It's over by those bushes.
I bet drinking nectar.
Oh no, there's a bird.
Shoo, go away, bird. Birds doesn't understand. Trying to make enough noises to scare it away.
Butterfly could be pulsing us.
To protect itself from predators.
At least I'm sure to not wear the fur about a bird.
That poor bird's going to be sick and trusty that butterfly.
Exactly.
Hey, did you hear about the bird that faces off against a butterfly?
They tall tale.
No, it's true.
What happened?
Well, a bird tried to eat a butterfly and it spit the butterfly out.
What? True that Carlos said the bird spat the butterfly out.
That bird had to find its lunch somewhere else.
I'm glad that butterfly's okay.
Alicia, you should work at a butterfly sanctuary.
Yeah, you could work to keep them safe.
I love butterflies.